Greetings from Illinois County in the great state of Michigan. I am the Illinois Trekker. I have this project to conclude. Basically what we have to do is we have to put a gasket on the head coming off of the, or going into the exhaust system. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to loosen this nut right here, this one down here. I'm going to take this one out and loosen this one. And then I'm going to take the ones off the head and just like pivot this thing down. So let's get started. Oh dear. It does seem to have taken hold. Apparently the blue stuff is actually oh yeah, that's great. That's what it's supposed to do, hold those little buggers into place. Wow. I don't know if I put any on that one. Alright, let's get this. Who has been he-manning these things in place? Now, I have been trying to get this little project completed since I got home Saturday afternoon after work. But every time I break out the tools, it starts to rain. This is about as far as I've gotten. Oh, I know I put blue goo on there. Now, what I'm going to do, that one is staying in place. That one right there, it will stay in place. What I will do is I will take the nuts off of the head assembly there, and I will drop the exhaust system. This time I do have the universal on here. Now, okay, I've got my universal in place here. There's one. Now, there you go. As you can see, it came out real nice and real easy. Will that just fit right on there? And can I keep it in there like that? No. Will that let me put that up in there like that? No. And it does stand proud of the surface there a little bit. So there you go. Let's see if we can't just line it up right there. Right on there. It's not too bad. All scheming falls apart. It just doesn't fit. Oh, look at that. It fit. Excellent. That's excellent. Look at that. Thought I would. There you go. Make sure that thing's on there tight. You don't want any surprises in Eureka Springs. Excellent. And the rest is done on the side. Oh, it doesn't want to go in. I know where the goo is. Okay. Again, folks, if you feel this thing is giving you a lot of resistance and it doesn't feel like it's going in, back that screw back out. You may be cross-threading it, and believe me, a hardened metal screw will destroy aluminum threads really fast. So I get that cover back on there. Not too tight when you do this, folks. I don't have the torque specifications. I suppose you probably use the regular PCX torque specifications, but I'm not going to worry about it. I usually don't, and I don't have a problem. I never do. That's all you need. 12 millimeter socket with a universal joint on it, a small extension for the head bolts. 17 millimeter. Let's see, yeah, 17 millimeter for these, which came with the kit. Good. Nice and quiet. the exhaust packing's into place. So I'm a happy camper. Let's get this in. Alright, there you go. Skirts on, covers on, muffler's on. Nothing's leaking out of there. That's a good sign. Cold. It is making its little expansion noises. But that basically concludes the Challenger project. So I'm a happy camper. She's behaving. I just did a trial run and she's behaving really nicely. So that's where we're at. Moto-vlog Tracker out.